In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach links in Google Classroom. Let's start from the Google Classroom homepage. Open classroom.google.com and make sure you're signed into the correct school or work account so you see the right classes. From the home screen, you'll see your class cards. Click the class where you want to share a link with your students. Once you're inside the class, head to the classwork tab at the top. This is where you organize assignments, questions, and resources. On the classwork page, look for the Create button. Click that, and from the menu, choose Material. Material is perfect for sharing resources that don't need to be graded, like websites, articles, videos, and docs. If you were collecting work, you'd use Assignment, but for a simple link, Material keeps things clean and easy. In the Material editor, start by adding a clear descriptive title. Think about what helps students understand at a glance, like reading climate change article or video Introduction to Fractions. You can also add a short description to give context, such as what to look for, how long it takes, or why it matters. Clear titles and brief directions save you from repeated questions later. Now add your link. In the add section, click the link icon, the one that looks like a chain. A small window will appear asking for a URL. Paste your link there. Be sure the address starts with HTTPS so it opens correctly. If your link is long or has extra tracking characters, it's fine to paste as is, but keeping it clean can make things easier to read. If the site requires sign-in, remind students they'll need their school account to access it. When the preview looks right, click Add Link to attach it to your material. You'll see the link appear under your title. If you need to attach more than one resource, you can repeat the link action, but one clear link is often best for focus. Before publishing, take a moment to proofread the title and description and confirm the link opens in a new tab as expected. When you're ready, click Post to publish it immediately to the classwork page. If you're planning ahead, you can choose to save it as a draft or schedule it for a future date and time. After posting, students will see the item under classwork and can open the link directly. That's it. Your resource is now organized, clickable, and easy for students to find.